All right, quick and dirty analysis, E-mini ES in front of us. We are currently still in this range. Okay, did have a big day today. Cannot lie. Again, we wanted to get above these levels of 2060, 2058 around that area before we start doing a happy dance. Just because it's been up here before, and again, if it comes down, breaks down below here, it is going to fail. So we wanted to continue to go up higher if we're looking for the long side. If you're looking for the short side, I think you just have to look at names that are setting up to be short. And I'll show you a couple of them actually in this video. You have the NQ, same thing. Again, NQ, be cautious. Again, you still have the lower highs in place. Broke this low, came back up. Again, if it breaks this low, it might be a move quick to the downside. Again, they could run it up. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. Again, you're still in this range, so don't get too. We understand the underlining is above 50%. Again, we want to break that before we start getting really bearish with anything. But we're still in the shit, and you have to still recognize that. YM, again, they can manipulate this so easy with Visa, MasterCard, Procter & Gamble. All these names don't have American Express. All these names don't even have to move up that much. Caterpillar. Let me give an example with Caterpillar, right? So you say, oh, Caterpillar has a good day up. Caterpillar is still in a downtrend, okay? American Express, still in a downtrend. Could be shorted. Actually, I'm looking to maybe short that tomorrow. Intel, okay? It's still, let me take this off or extend this to the right. Still in a downtrend, okay? So don't let the movement. Be careful. IBM, still in a downtrend. Okay. Again, there's stuff that's in an uptrend. Boeing, in an uptrend. Wouldn't short it. Amazon, would not short it. Out of your mind if you're going to short that. Netflix, I still would not short this. I would just be very, very cautious of shorting that. Okay. Apple, I think is profit taking time. You see how the volume's tapering off. I have a turn date at. It was actually February 2nd, so February 2nd to 4th. So again, I would be taking off profits now because they have to squeeze the breakout traders. There's just too much. The money's too easy for that. Okay, Baba hates itself. Okay, it's just something I wouldn't really mess with. GoPro sucks to be in. If you got again, I didn't take the short, but I thought it was going to be a short. But again, today's earnings, so I don't know where it's going to go. Still, the trend is down. That sucks if it got you in because maybe it blips you out. We just got to see if we can get a little bit more retracement in it. I'm in USO. Oil rallied a little bit. We got to see if it's going to break above these highs. That's why my stop's in place. I think it's going to go lower. I'm also in CLR. CLR, again, if you could just, the volume could taper. Don't hit my stop. Maybe break this low and then come back down. That'd actually be a really, really good sign. Google, great party today. Where the hell was Google? Okay, that's the thing. I think that this stock is it's not participating. So again, a big move. Price line, big move. What's the trend? Okay, it was up $20 or something like that. Woohoo! Where's the trend? Okay, not saying that it's going to break down, but you got to make sure you continue to look at it. Banking stocks, GS, still in downtrend. Bank of America, still in downtrend. Tesla, still in downtrend. Might short this tomorrow. Okay, volume's drying up at some key levels that I got. Might short that tomorrow. Okay, you got to be very cautious of just looking at the index names because again, there's stuff that might be stronger, but you can't just apply that to every single name that you're looking at. Look at Microsoft. This is a short. Okay. Did I say Baba already? I think so. Yahoo. I said about that yesterday. Okay, might pop up a little bit more, but it's still looking weak. Okay, I'm not chasing because again, I said I should have got in a couple days ago. Maybe if it pops up a little bit more, hey, I'll let it. I mean, you can see how the volume is very, very weak right here, going down. So I would probably put at break even. I think tomorrow might be a retrace day. Who knows? But again, you just have to look at that type of stuff to say, you have all this stuff. Nike. Look at that. I mean, it better not break down below here. I mean, it got a lot of air underneath there. But again, You want to say, okay, if it's going to do this, if it's going to grind, and we've seen this before, okay, you want to pop up above some of this and then give you a retrace and then get back up. You don't have to be the first out the foxhole. Okay, even though it's giving you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there's no lower, higher low yet. So you just wait. You just have to wait. You have to be patient. Wait for your setup. Okay, Twitter. It's above the box, but it's still not in a strong state. If maybe you say, oh, it's basing here, now it's above. Okay, if you get a little dip and you could get something and maybe test the top of this box, then you could get off the rip with very, very small risk to reward. Maybe you could get up here to this 48 area. But besides that, I mean, we still have to be cautious. We still have to be cautious. ExxonMobil, okay, this is just, it's so, grinding up so bad that I'm like, you know what, I'm not really going to mess with that. Okay, I've been really, really be careful, okay. A lot of stuff that I saw that I'm like, you know what, let me just wait because this action is not to be fucked with. And it's fine if you say, listen, I don't want to do that. I'll wait because I'd rather wait for a good trade, make my, 3 to 1, 4 to 1, 5 to 1, than trying to guess and go from there. But there's still weak names, and I will take them short if possible or when possible. Take care. Again, this doesn't say that you're, bullish or bearish tone. They just say we're in the middle of the shit. But if there's, don't let the index action tell you, okay, I'm gonna go long now, Google, or you see Apple at highs, and they say, oh, mutual funds and all that. Get a high. Where the hell's your stop going to be? Because it better be at least at 114, 115. Or you're going to put it back here and then you're going to say maybe this is a, I don't know, cup and salsa shit or some shit like that. So, all right, I'm rambling. We'll see what's going on tomorrow. Take care.